everyone, welcome aboard TLC. My name is Courtney O'Brien, Manager of Operations. Today I want to go over our generation scheduling software system with you all. This is where you're going to be able to find your schedule and your client's care plan and all your other information that's important prior to going out to your client's shifts. So to get to that software system, what you want to do is pull up a Google browser and type in our website, which is www.tlchomecare.com or tlcnursing.com. When you get to our main website, in order to find our scheduling software, you're going to click on Employee Resource tab and then How to Use Generations. You'll notice down here on the right-hand corner, there's a Chat Live Now box. This is a system that you are able to chat with an outside source that can provide you with answers to certain questions. However, the person on the back side of this chat is not a TLC office associate. So if you're looking for a prompt answer about your schedule or your current client, the best thing to do is give us a call on our main line, which is 802-735-1123. To log into Generations, you're going to click here on the Access Generations link. And each and every one of you will have your own login information. However, today we're going to be utilizing a training login. You'll notice here that it does require that there's an agency ID. Our agency ID is TLCN 6564. That agency ID is going to be the same ID There we go. That agency ID is going to be the same ID that we utilize for all of our employees. Most of the time, the system is going to auto-populate that information after you've already logged in. However, if it doesn't, you can go back to this screen here, and it has that information right here. All right, we're going to log in using the training login. Once you log in, it's going to bring you to your schedule. You'll notice that the pink here is the day that we are currently on, and this is your current schedule for that day. Here next to the month, you can go back and look at your previous schedule or press the forward arrows and look into the future and see what you're scheduled in the future months. Your main information is going to be here on the top right-hand corner. And here's your schedule. So it's very important before going to your client's home that you log on to the software system and view the client's care plan. This is going to show you all of the information that you need to know prior to going in the home. In order to do that, just click on TLC Training here, which is the client that we're going to be visiting today. And it's going to auto-populate your care plan. Took a little longer. And so here on your care plan, you're going to see that there is the client's name and information here, the date of the start of care. You're going to have your address and your case manager. Oops. Keep drawing over the information. Your address and your case manager's name there. And then it's going to provide you with all of the information that you'll need here. So it's going to go over your functional limitations, activities permitted, their mental status, their prognosis, and it brings you down into their care plan. So this is where they're going to talk about their mobility, their bowel and urinary, if they need assistance with bathing, dressing, shaving, any skincare that they need assistance with, hair care, oral care, and nail care. Keep in mind that we are not able to clip fingernails or toenails. We can only make sure that they are clean underneath. It's going to talk about whether they have vision impairment, hearing, any concerns with their nasal or respiratory system. talks about their cognitive conditions and functions, their communication, their social function, and their dietary. Dietary is very important because some of our clients do have special dietary restrictions, or in this case, could have a swallowing or choking risk. Now it's going to get into how the shopping and the housekeeping, transportation, and pets in the home. So if you are wondering whether or not your client has pets in the home, it is in their care plan, and you can look at that information online. This is additional information about their activities and any other information that you may need to know about the assistance that they're required. And right here, there's sometimes some special instructions that talks a little bit about location of your client, if it's tricky to find, or the color of the home. It also talks about things that the client likes or family members that are to be contacted. Please note that prior to going into your client's home, our nurse case manager does provide you with either a phone or an in-person meet and greet. If they're going to provide you with a phone meet and greet, they should provide that to you prior to 2 hours before your shift. If you've not heard from anybody 2 hours prior to your shift, please make sure you give the office a call and ask to speak with your nurse case manager. If you're unsure who your nurse case manager is, you again can find that here on your client's care plan, or you can contact the office and tell them what client you're working with, and they can search your case manager. The other important part of the care plan is the Telephony Id right here. We use telephony for our clocking in and out, and you're going to need that ID in order to do so from the client's home. That ID is also usually on the binder with the care plan in the home. So you do have it in 2 separate spots. Now that we've viewed the care plan, we're going to go back into your schedule and we're going to take a look at the map function. So right here, if you click on this map button, excuse me. When you're getting ready to go to your client's home, you can find your address on your care plan, and you can also click on this map link here, which will auto-populate Google Maps from your address to your client's address. This is important to do in order to ensure that you have proper GPS or location of your client. Most of you will probably have a GPS that's hooked up to your car or your cell phone, but please note that there are places throughout Vermont and New Hampshire that do not have GPS, that the GPS blanks out and does not work. So please print this prior to going to any of your clients' homes. When you have back-to-back clients like we do here, you have a map all link. If you click on that link, it's going to auto-populate Google Maps from your first client's from your home to your first client's address to the second client's address. That is what you should print prior to your scheduled day.